Hello and welcome to Home Cooking Spain. Today I will be showing you how I make my own burgers. Okay then, so I have burger meat which is 50% beef and 50% pork. You can use any type of mince, whether it's lamb, just beef, just pork, chicken. Okay, so that's opened. So next, got one of these bowls, should be big enough. So I'll just chuck it all in there. Just break it up a little bit. This is a very simple way to do it. There are many other ways that you can do it, but I just like it this way. Okay, so that's mixed up a little bit, and next I'm going to add some salt. I should be able to get, out of half a kilo, I will be getting 4 burgers. Next I'm going to add some sweet paprika. You can use the hot one if you like. Just going to add a small teaspoon. I've got the fan next to me and it's blowing it away. The thing is, it's only 10:30 and there's already 30 degrees. I expect another 42 today. Another nightmare day. Whoops. Okay, hit that with my head. And next, I've got some parsley here that I just chopped up from my garden, of course. So we'll just add that there as well. And nothing else really. You can add other spices to them, like black pepper, some hot chili flakes, etc. Okay then, so next got some of these plastic gloves here, so I'll put them on and I'll just mix everything up well. Okay then, so here we have a nice half a kilo meatball. Next will be to get my board out and also get one of these baking sheets. That way the mince won't stick to the board. That's what I hope anyway. So, plop. Let's put on another pair of gloves. Okay, so I've had to tape it down to the worktop because the fan was blowing it away. So these, I'm going to divide them first into 2. And then into another 2, each one. So now we have 4 big balls. Since learning how to do these, I don't buy beef burgers anymore, or hamburgers or burgers, as this way these are way more delicious. You can add what you like to them, and at least I know what I'm eating. Okay, 4 balls. So each ball should weigh about 125 grams. Give it a nice mix. I'm gonna put on another glove. Keep hitting the camera with my head. Sorry about that. That's better. Should get some other gloves really, because these are a bit, well, they're from the garage. So what I'll do is just flatten it out. You can leave it as thick or as thin as you like till you make a burger shape. Okay, then I've got some more of that oven paper, which I've cut into like that, because what I'm going to do is, as I'm going to freeze these, I'm going to lift them off and put them on there and close it. That way it'll be easier to take out, and I will do that with the other 3. Okay, so here we have them. Let me just show you them. So what I will do now is grab one of these bags, because 2 of them I shall freeze, and the other 2 I will just put them in the fridge, as we will probably eat them tonight or tomorrow night for dinner in the evening. Well, that's today's video for you. Short and sweet. There are many ways to make these burgers, but this is just the quickest, easiest way to do them, for me at least. So, thank you for watching, and I look forward to creating my next video. Bye bye.